Welcome back, guys. Today we're actually doing a brand new series. It's a rally car build on Forza. Sort of like what Ferrari does, because he's actually a really good YouTuber and I find him quite funny. I need to close curtains because the light is getting on and it's annoying. And basically what I'm going to do is buy a car and then take it on the course. I'm not going to use the same course or anything. Basically I don't want to use a great car. I want to find something quite bad and then change it. So I thought for a while about what car to use as the first car. It can't be anything too expensive or too high in class, because then, because the rules are I'm not allowed to mod it over class. What class should we go for? Class S1 or A? I think for the first one we'll go for S1 for now. And also my bank account says that I can't have anything too expensive. So I can buy anything I want, but if it goes over S1 then I'm not allowed to do it, so I need to think about that. Yes. Right. Sorry if you can hear my family. They're always shouting. Right, so let's go ahead and mod it. I've only got 118,000, but in the next video I might have more. Right, custom upgrade. First of all, we'll put on all the storm iron stuff. So, off-road suspension. The off-road gearbox. And the off-road tyres. Alright. And then, now, as you can see, we are at Class A already. So I can go up to 899, I think. Maybe 900. For a start, it needs to go all-wheel drive. So 701. Right. So I can put a turbo rally. Yeah. Right. Right. What do we want to put on it now then? I think we'll go for some. What's a bumper? Ooh, race from bumper. That's quite nice. Huh? What about spoiler? What spoilers can I put on? Oh, just a big one for the roof. It takes the speed off a bit though. Right, now we need to make up for that weight and everything. So I think first of all we will go on to, which one is it? Is it this one? Nope. Is it this one? Yeah. We'll fit a roll cage, which adds even more weight. But I don't think this car will be very good. Then we'll take a lot of weight off. That makes it a lot better. Speed we need to do now with the rest. So we'll do some engine mods. Right. Engine. Oh. Is that all I can do? Can't do anything else to the engine. Wait, what does it say? Oh. So we've still got enough space to do anything else. Brakes might be a big one. Still got plenty more things we can do. Anti-roll bars, they might help it turn back. Oops. Alright, what else should we do? I've done all this. Alright, drivetrain maybe? Driveline. Differential maybe? Why not? Actually, this car might be quite a hard one to get up to that class. Oh. Let's get some thicker tyres, that might help. Look at me. I think I'm just going to leave it like that. Right. It doesn't have to reach that, it just has to go, can't go higher than that. So this car is going to be a good start. Oh, the weather is not great. Right, so Storm Island Rivals. What should we do it on? I think we're going to do it on this one. Class S1. Wait. Does it count? Yeah, good. Transferred at first place for 1 hour and 13 minutes, right. I'm trying to keep these videos quite short. Total win is 2 million. Leave a comment on what kind you want me to do, if you have any preference. Right. Let's go. And if you want me to do it in first person or not. I guess for this one we might as well. Might make it a bit harder. To be honest guys, I'm probably going to be terrible because I don't play Forza very much. Yeah. Watch me mess up on this first one. When I start playing it more, when I start bringing more Forza content in, then I'll get better at it. Oh, this race is quite good actually, I'm liking this. I think we're going to use this one every time from now on. Wall. Yep. Well. Ah! Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, can drive through that then. Whee! I'm getting air in me focus. Oh, that Tokyo Drifter. Oh. Why didn't Tokyo Drifter the focus? Yeah. Green. Right. Yep. I'm officially the worst driver to ever been playing on Forza Horizon 2. Right. Back into first person anyway. This one to see me fuck up. Or mess up. Got a swap strain. It's not great. Doesn't interest viewers. Anyway. Oh yeah. That is total skillage right there. Whoa. I love this race. I think I'm going to record the times as well to see which one's the best. Damn, I missed the checkpoint. Oh well. Oh, maybe I didn't. Oh, okay. Skill chain is going really well. Oh, 15,000 in my wrist. Right. So the target was. So guys, hope you enjoyed. And after this, I will actually put on a leaderboard showing you where the cars are. But I won't bother with this episode. But in the next one I will, and I'll carry on from that. That's it from me guys. Peace out.